Ready? All right, see you there. Hey, what's up, my friends? Back to 007. Here's the right. Special night crew over here, chilling with me. Yeah. Oh man, feeling pretty good. Oh, music today. Oh yeah. I just want to mention that I'm turning 45 and I'm really enjoying life. I've been sober for 5 years and I'm really enjoying life. I have my kids, I have my sport, my wife, healthy. And I had a lot of support from my friends. Bike shop at Woodward and other friends, and you know who you are. Sketchy Line crew. I'm so grateful. But also I'm celebrating 20 years living in the United States. What an opportunity for me. Thanks for my mom to brought me here, all the effort over the years. It's paying back. Oh yeah. Thanks for riding with me. Yeah. Super fun. My boy Jeffrey has been working lately on my bike. You know that guy. He's Chester's older brother. Mike, Mr. Disco Rock. And my boy Yanni. He always follow me.
I got you on camera a little bit. You're pretty far forward. Yeah, you gotta stop at the boom.
Don't forget this video is provided by the bike shop at Woodward and it's Chester approved.